Working out is my happy place. It's where I go to forget about everything and just focus on me. But every time I go to put my ring back on after my workout, it won't fit over my knuckle. It's so frustrating. I was texting with a friend and she told me about CLIQ. High-quality rings with a hinge so I don't have to fight to get them on and off. So I gave it a shot. I ordered their fit kit, and a few days later, I learned my true finger size. After ordering my favorite ring, I was so excited to see how it fit after my next workout. With the stylus, I could open the ring and easily place it on my finger. It's so comfortable. And now I get to stay in that happy place just a bit longer.